YouTube channel, that is Maths with Shivangi Nagar. In this video we are discussing the exercise 4.1. okay, so in the 4.1 first we will discuss the question number 1. The question number 1 is asked that check whether the following are the quadratic equations or not. We are given some equations, okay, and what we have to analyze, we have to analyze that whether the given equations are the quadratic or not. So what is the standard representation of a quadratic equation? So it is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. That means we will declare one equation as a quadratic if and only if the highest power, what? The highest power of the variable should be what? 2, and that particular expression should contain what? Equal to sign. So let's begin with the first one. The first one is x plus 1 whole square is equals to twice of x minus 3. So first what we will do, we will expand the left hand side by using a plus b whole square identity. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 6, right? Then what we will do, if you see here, this 2x and 2x get cancelled out, okay, and then when we will transpose this minus 6 on the left hand side, what we will be getting here, x square minus plus 1 plus 6 is equals to 0. So x square plus 7 is equals to 0. Now if you compare this equation with this standard representation of quadratic equation, okay, so is this a quadratic equation? Yes. Here the highest power is what? The highest power is what? 2. Okay, and here we have what? We have the equal to sign also. Although this middle term, this bx term is what? This x power 1 term is missing. So it's okay. But what we are need here, the highest power of the variable should be 2 and it should contain a equal to sign. So both the conditions are made. So yes, given equation is what? Quadratic. Given equation is quadratic. So in the similar way we will do all these questions. Coming on the next one, this is the second one. Again we will do check that whether this given equation is the quadratic or not. So how we will check? So on the left hand side we have x square minus 2x, but on the right hand side this minus 2 is multiplied with this 3a minus x binomial bracket. So first we will open this bracket. So minus 2 into 3 is what? Minus 6. Minus 2 into minus x is what? Plus 2x, right? Then transpose both the quantities which are on the right hand side on the left hand side. So what we will get here, x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x. This minus 2, this plus 2x, when transposed on the left hand side it will become minus 2x, and on the right hand side now what we are left over with? 0. Now this minus 2x and this minus 2x, they both are the like quantity because they are the x power 1 coefficient. So we can solve them together. So this will make what? Minus 2x and minus 2x is what? Minus 4 of x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now if you again compare this with this standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So here you have x square term, you have x term, and you have the constant term. Equal to sign was also there, and the highest power of the variable is what? 2 here. So yes, this is also what? A quadratic equation. Coming on the next one, this third one, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now when you multiply this, opening the bracket, and when you multiply each and every term of this first bracket with the second term, what you will get? X into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1. Similarly, when you solve the right hand side also in the same manner, multiply each and every term of the first bracket with this second bracket, right? So x into x plus 3 multiply by minus 1 into x plus 3. So x into x is x square plus x, minus 2 into x is what? Minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 1 is what? Minus 2 is equals to x into x is x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now if you see here, you can clearly see that what you can see, that x square is cancelled with x square, right? Here you have x minus 2x, so what you will get? Minus x minus 2. Similarly on the right hand side, what you have? 3x minus x, that is what? 2x minus 3. Now if you transpose both the quantities on the right hand side, these quantities on the right hand side, so what you will get here? So 2x minus 3 plus x plus 2 is equals to 0. 2x plus x is what? 3x, and minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1. Now if you see here, the highest power of the x variable is what? 1. So no, it is not quadratic equation. And why it is not quadratic equation? Because the highest power of the variable is what? 1 here. Okay, coming on the next, this fourth one, what we have? Yes, coming on the fourth one, again if you multiply this with the 2x plus 1 bracket, so x into 2x plus 1 minus 3 times of 2x plus 1 is equals to, multiply this x with both the quantities, so x square plus 5x you will be getting here. Now x into 2x is what? 2x square. X into 1 is what? Plus x. Minus 3 into 2x is what? Minus 6. X minus 3 into 1 is what? Minus 3. And here you have x square plus 5x. Now if you transpose both these quantities on the left hand side, okay, so what you will be getting here? 2x square minus x square. X and minus 6x makes what? Minus 5x. Okay, and this plus 5x, when transposed on the left hand side, it will also become minus 5x. Here you have minus 3 here, and it will become equal to 0. So 2x square minus x square makes what? X square. Minus 5x and minus 5x makes what? 10 minus 10x, and this is minus 3. Again if you see here, the highest power is what? 2, and it has the equal to sign also. So yes, this is also what? This is also a quadratic equation, right? Coming on the next one, the fifth one. What the fifth question says, multiply, solve first both LHS and RHS. So 2x multiplied by x minus 3 minus 1 times of x minus 3 is equal to x into x minus 1, then plus 5 into x minus 1. 2x into x is what? 2x square. 2x into minus 3 is what? Minus 6x. Minus 1 into x is what? Minus x. Minus 1 into minus 3 is what? Plus 3 is equals to x into x is x square. X into minus 1 is what? Minus x plus 5x minus 5. Now transpose all the quantities. Okay, so 2x square, and when this x square get transposed on the left hand side, what you will get? 2x square minus x square. Minus 6x and minus x makes what? Minus 7x, and here we have what? Minus x and plus 5x, so it makes plus 4x, and plus 4x when we transpose on the left hand side, what we will get? Minus 4x here. Clear? This is the plus 3 here, and this minus 5 transpose here as the plus 5 over here. Now 2x square minus x square makes what? X square. 7x minus 4x makes minus 11x, and plus 3 and plus 5 makes what? Plus 8. So again if you see here, the highest power of the variable is 2, equal to sign whole. So yes, this is also what? This is also a quadratic equation. Now coming on the next one, question number 6, the sixth part. So see here, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole square. So on the left hand side we cannot solve, but right hand side we can solve. Here we have x minus 2 whole square. So by applying the identity a minus b whole square, which is opened as a square minus 2ab plus b square on the left hand side, first we will expand the right hand side. So what we have here, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x square minus 2ab. So 2 into a into b plus b square, right? So what we have, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x square minus 2x into 2 is what? Minus 4x plus 4. Now if you see here, again x square get cancelled out with x square and transpose both the quantities on the left hand side. So what we are getting here, 3x plus 1 plus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. 3x plus 4x makes 7x, 1 minus 4 makes what? Minus 3. Again, if you see here, the highest power of the variable is what? 1. So it is what? A linear equation. So here answer is no, it is not quadratic equation. Clear? Coming on the next one, that is the 7th one. What we have on the left hand side, we have x plus 2 whole cube, and on the right hand side we have 2x into x square minus 1. So first what we will do, we will apply the identity what we know here. So this is what? X plus 2 whole cube. So here we will apply the identity a plus b whole cube. And what's the identity? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? So by using this identity, first we will expand the left hand side. So what we will get here? X cube plus 2 cube plus 3 times of x square into 2 plus 3 times of x into 2 whole square. Then on the right hand side, we will open this bracket. So 2x into x square minus 2x into 1. X cube plus 2 cube is 8. Now this is x square, so 3 into x square is 3x square, and into 2 is what? 6x square. So this is 6x square. Similarly here 2 square is what? 4, and 4 3 times is what? 12. So it is what? 12x. The result of this, all the product of these three terms is what? 12x. Coming on the right hand side, we have 2x into x square. So this makes what? 2x cube and minus 2x. Now if you transpose all the quantities, either right side quantity on the left hand side or right hand side quantity on the right hand side, you can do anything. So what I am doing this time, I am shifting the left hand side of quantities on the right hand side. So what we will get here, see here, 2x cube and minus 2x remain as it is at their place. This x cube is coming here as minus x cube, this as minus 8, minus 6x square, minus 12x, and what we are left over with, it equal to 0. Now 2x cube and minus x cube solve together because they are the like quantity. So what we are getting here, we are getting here the x cube. Similarly minus 2x and minus 12x get solved together because they are the like quantities. So minus 2x and minus 12x makes what? Minus 14x. Similarly here we have minus 8. Sorry, here we have this minus 6x square also and minus 8. If you see here clearly, the highest power of the variable is what? 3. So if the highest power of the variable is 3, so it is what? A cubic equation, right? So again it is no, it is not quadratic equation. Clear? Coming on the next one, 8th one. What we have here, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole cube. Now again we will open the right hand side by using the identity a minus b whole cube here. Okay, so what the identity is, a cube minus b cube, then minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Clear? So let's open this. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, when you open this, so x cube minus 2 cube is 8, then we have minus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 whole square. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to what? X cube minus 8. Now This is x square. When x square get multiplied with minus 3 and 6, what we will get? Minus 6x square. Similarly, this is what? 2 square. 2 square is 4. When 4 is multiplied with 3, we will get what? 12x here. Clear? X square get cancelled out with x square. Okay. When you transpose all the rest quantity of the right hand side on the left hand side, what we are getting? So, minus 4x square minus x plus 1 plus 8 plus 6x square minus 12x equals to 0. Now minus 4x square when solved with plus 6x square, we will be getting here 2x square. Similarly, when minus x and minus 12x, when they are solved together, what we will be getting here? Minus 13x. And when the constant terms are solved together, we will get plus 9. Now if you again see clearly, the highest power of the variable is what? 2 here, and we have the equal to sign also here. So the last one is also what? Yes, it is the given equation. Yes, it is the given equation is what? A quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So this is all the 8 parts of this first question. Where what we have to do, we just have to check that whether given equation is the quadratic or not. So how to solve it? First, consider both LHS and RHS. If any identity is applied here, whether to expand that bracket. Okay. So first expand that bracket, then solve the LHS and RHS together. And once you get the final simplified form of the given equation, then only conclude that whether the given equation is a quadratic or not. Because sometimes when we see the equation, it seems that it is quadratic, but actually it is not. And sometimes it seems that it is not a quadratic equation, but when we solve it completely, we will got to know that it is a quadratic equation. So to avoid the mistakes, I suggest you to solve both LHS and RHS separately and then solve them together, and then finally conclude about it that whether the given equation is quadratic or not. So this is what all about in this my question number 1, where we have discussed all the 8 parts. In the next video, I am going to discuss the question number 2. So if you like my video, if you got all the solutions, then give me a thumbs up, do share with your friends, and if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my updates. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video with the next question.